Welcome to Zill. Today we are going to see about one more operator called membership operator. Membership operator in Python. This operator in membership operator we have two keywords, two operators, membership in and one more is not in and not in. These two operators we have in membership operator. What this membership operator is going to be doing? It is used to test whether a value used to test a value is present, or you can say found, anything found in sequence. The sequence may contains in Python. We have string sequence, we have list as a sequence, and we have a tuple, set, and a dictionary. These are the sequence we have. In that sequence we are going to be seen used to share the value in the sequence. So what it is going to be written? It return type is true. It returns this in and not in returns true. Suppose if in is true, if in returns true when the value is found, nothing but if the value is found, found. And not in, how it works, the reciprocal is a reverse. It returns true if the value is not found. If the value is not found, it is going to be return true. If the value is not there, it is true. If the value is there, in is a reciprocal, is a reverse of that. The reverse, not in, is reverse of in. Let's see an example. We'll see an example on it. Like I'm taking one text or one message, anything. One message I want to take. Here I'm writing I love Python. I'm writing I love Python. Now I want to perform that our in operator, our membership operator, I want to perform in. Now I'm writing like print message is like a string. The string type is a string sequence. I want to write that whether p is present or not. I want to see. I'm writing a small p in MSG. I'm writing p in MSG because in our MSG the sequence we have a p. It will return true. It returns a true. Now it returns a true. Now our output is true. Suppose if I given capital P, we have a lot of people who have a doubt here. If I keep a capital P, but there is no capital P, it's going to print false. It is going to print false. Not only the single letter, I want to give complete letter like Python. I'm not giving the exclamator, just I given a Python. But Python is present in that message in a string or in a sequence or not, it will check. It is present, so it will gives true. Suppose if I given like a name which is not there, like if I given a name like Zill, that Zill is not there. Here the word Zill is not there. You used to get a false. This is about working of a in. Nothing but working about in. If the sequence of the given value is present in sequence, it is returned to true. If not, it will return false. Next we'll see about not in. Not in is a reverse of that. So print first I will go with p not in ms, not in message, but p is there. P is there means it's true. In it is true. Now it is a not in. It will go with a negative one. It's a true becomes as a false. It becomes true becomes as a false. See, it is going to give a false. If I wrote capital P is not present, it is actually a false in. The reverse of in is not in, here we will get a false. Here we will get a true value. In will get a false, here we will get a true value. Suppose if I given like Python, it's a complete. In will use to get a true. See, Python is there, we used to get a true. See, true. Suppose in place of this, I'm writing one name like Rupa. Here also I'm writing like a name called Rupa. Now in this I love Python, there is no word called Rupa. So here we used to get a here we used to get a false, and here we used to get a true. Here we used to get a true. See, that's the reverse. It's going to work like a reverse. This is about the functionalities of a membership operator in and not in. Yeah. Thank you guys watching this video. Please subscribe and click on like button.